birthday, Sisi Koy. More birthdays to come. Hindi ka man active. Andito pa din. Sana lagi ka mag-ingat dyan. Post lang, ganito lang oras. Kahit paano ma-update mo yun. Thank you na naging part ka na naman team. Alam mo, busy-busy ka. Again, happy birthday! Hindi ko alam na birthday mo na pala bukas. Sana mag-live ka. Happy birthday! Gigising mo lang. Mag-ingat! Bye-bye! God bless!
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone, wherever you may be. I'm just gonna quickly greet someone a happy birthday. She's one of our TTW team member, a friend, a family. Sisi Kalats, happy birthday to you. Hope you got everything you wish for, and just enjoy yourself, and always stay safe, and stay healthy as well. Anyway, like I said, just a quick one. I'm at work, so again, many happy returns, Sisi Lalabs and Kalats. Enjoy your day, spoil yourself. Again, happy birthday.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning, Katim Wonders. Hello, kumusta lahat? Ayan, meron lang akong babatiin na madalian daw, sabi ni Bumbitay. Shoutout sa'yo, Bumbitay. Ayan, happy birthday, sis kulit. Lagi mag-iingat dyan sa trabaho. Alam ko, laging nagputukan dyan. Kaya dito sa akin din, nagpuputukan. Ayan mo, saluin na lang natin yung bumabagsak ng Michelle. Ayan, once again, happy birthday. Lagi mag-ingat, and God bless. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Ayan. May babatiin ako na isang kaibigan sa larangan ng YouTube at walang iba kundi si Bro Colats. Ayan. Bro, happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo, of course, good health and more blessing to come. And yun. Wala na akong masabi sa iyo, kung ikantahan na lang kita, bro. Kahit yung kanta is ayaw sa akin. Ayan. Kantahan pa na kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Bro Colats. Happy birthday, bro. Love ya. See you around. Bye.
Good morning, Team Wonders. Nagising ko lang. Ayan. May gusto lang akong batin sa dahil birthday na ngayon ng aming ka-team member sa YouTube family. Sis Kulats, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Stay goody, stay healthy, and ingat dyan sa work niyo. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Happy birthday, Sissy Coolitz. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sissy Coolitz. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sissy Coolats. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sissy Coolats. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sissy Coolats. Enjoy your
Happy birthday, Sissy Coolats. Happy birthday, Sissy Coolitz. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. We wish you all the best. Enjoy your day, good health, and take care always. Dito Lang Ang Team Wonders, we love you. Enjoy. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.